What if I told you that ChatGPT is making your brain weak? A groundbreaking MIT study just revealed something shocking about what happens to your cognitive abilities when we rely too heavily on AI. And the results, guys, they are more alarming than you might think. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a study that's been making waves across tech and education world. MIT researchers published a finding that shows that using ChatGPT extensively could be creating what they call as cognitive depth. Basically, it is weakening our brain's natural ability to think, learn and remember. But guys, before we jump in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell because this is exactly the kind of research-backed content that could change how you use AI. So here's what MIT researchers did, guys. They took 54 adults and divided them into 3 groups over 4 months. The first group used ChatGPT to help write essays. The second group used traditional search engines like Google. And the third group, they had to rely purely on their brains and no external tools at all. But here's the genius part, guys. They didn't just look at the quality of the essays, they actually monitored participants' brains using EEG technology while they were writing. They could literally see what was happening inside people's head when they used AI versus when they didn't use AI. And guys, the results were eye-opening. The ChatGPT users showed the weakest brain connectivity, meaning their neurons were not firing and connecting like they should be. Think of it like this. When you lift weights, your muscles get stronger. But when you use ChatGPT to do your thinking, your brain's muscles get weaker. The brain-only group had the strongest, most distributed neural network. And the search engine users were in the middle, but the ChatGPT group, their brains were becoming weak. MIT coined this term cognitive depth, and it's brilliant, guys. Just like financial depth, cognitive depth means borrowing from your future cognitive abilities to get immediate convenience today. When you let ChatGPT write your emails, summarize articles, or help with creative tasks, you are essentially outsourcing the very mental process that keeps your brain sharp. It's like having someone else do your push-ups for you. The task gets done, but you are not getting any stronger. But here's what's really concerning. After 4 months of using ChatGPT, participants showed reduced alpha and beta brainwave connectivity. These are the brain waves associated with memory formation, attention, and learning. Even worse, ChatGPT users struggled to accurately quote their own work. They had the lowest sense of ownership over their essays. It's like the brains weren't fully engaged in the creation process. So they couldn't even remember what they had supposedly written earlier. And when ChatGPT users were suddenly forced to write without AI's assistance, their brains showed signs of underengagement. They had literally become dependent on the technology to do their thinking for them. Now guys, before everyone starts panicking and deleting ChatGPT, let's be clear about what this study does and doesn't say. The researchers aren't saying that AI is evil or that we should never use it. What they are highlighting is the importance of how we use it. There's a big difference between using AI as a brainstorming partner versus using it as a replacement for your own thinking. One strengthens your cognitive abilities and the other weakens them. It's also worth noting that the study is still preliminary. It hasn't been peer-reviewed yet and it only involved 54 people over the 4 months. But the findings align with what many educators and cognitive scientists have been warning about. So what does this mean for you? If you are a student, this research suggests that starting your essay with ChatGPT might actually hurt your learning in the long run. You might get better grades initially, but you are not developing the critical thinking skills that you will need later. If you are a professional, it means being more mindful about when and how you use AI. Use it to enhance your thinking, not replace it. Let it help you brainstorm, but do the actual synthesis and analysis yourself. And if you are a parent or an educator, this study provides crucial evidence for why we need to teach digital literacy and responsible AI use, not just ban these tools entirely. To help in this direction, guys, we have launched an initiative called as AI for Her, where we are going to educate 1 lakh female students in the AI. If you want to be a part of this, check out the link in the description box and I will be waiting for you to join my classes. And yes guys, it is completely free. Now getting back to the video, guys, this MIT study is a part of larger conversation we need to have about human AI interactions. We are at a crossroads where we can either use AI to augment our intelligence or let it destroy our natural cognitive abilities. The choice is ours, guys, but it requires conscious decision decision making. Just like we need to balance screen time, exercise, and nutrition for physical health, we need to balance AI assistance with independent thinking for cognitive health. Now to conclude guys, I would want to hear from you in the comments that have you noticed any changes in your thinking or memory since you started using ChatGPT? And if this video made you think differently about AI use, smash the like button and share it with someone who needs to see this. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.